Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav. Today we're going to talk about a topic that I'm super excited to share with you because we are at the end of the year, and usually at the end of the year people are trying to figure out, at least if you are in the affiliate marketing space or the wanting to start in some kind of side hustle online. You're trying to figure out what to do. So today what I wanted to speak about is specifically the difference between low ticket products, high ticket products, who's it for, how do you get started, what area is the best way to look at it, right? And I want to break this down for you so that you can make a decision at the end of the day where you want to get started. You see, affiliate marketing is a great aspect strategy to get started with. And you can be an affiliate for low ticket offers, you can be an affiliate for high ticket offers. You can be a digital marketer, guys, and have low ticket offers and high ticket offers as well. But what could be the best value for your customer, for the person that you are trying to help? Is it going to be a low ticket offer, or is it going to be a high ticket offer? And I think when you understand the basic logic of what your product, what you offer, what you're doing, what solution you're giving to the customer at the end of the day in whatever area, right? If it's a dog or animal product, if it is a health and wellness product, if it's a relationship product, whatever it is that you're offering as an affiliate, if you are able to at least understand the core problem that you're solving, then you can see in the journey where to offer high ticket offers or low ticket offers, and which is actually good for you. So I want to break down the numbers behind it, and I want to share with you also the programs that I personally use and how you can function about it. I like both of low ticket offers and I like high ticket offers both. So I'm going to talk about both of them in this video. Okay, what I did, and let me know your feedback in the comments, because I'm trying to have a very educational kind of channel here, and that means I want to give you guys at least some kind of guidance along the way within this video. At the end of this video, I will provide my solution to you. What I did was I created this whiteboard on Canva, and it's just basically, let me just zoom out a little bit. Sorry, I need to do this. Ooh, perfect. So now you can see right here. Okay, hopefully this makes sense. I'm gonna do it this way. Okay, yeah, let's just keep it this way, that I'm in the middle and you guys can see high ticket and low ticket offers on each side, right? So we're going to talk about both ones, and let me start off with a high ticket offers. So what is a high ticket offer? And a high ticket offer basically needs to have a solution to a bigger problem that you're solving, and takes people through a journey from point A to point B. When I say bigger problem, I mean, let's say you have to achieve certain life goals, or you have a big offer, a big task to achieve in your life, then the solution in health could be a high ticket offer, right? You're a dentist. If I put go in the health and wellness niche, for example, any dental kind of offers, services based on those dental offers will be more higher ticket. Why? Because it's a service that you're providing, a big change for the person, which means that you need to have awareness of the product, you need to know what's going on, and you need to trust in what you're getting, right? So obviously that means a lot of due diligence, and means a lot of research. That means you become more solution aware, you become more product aware, you're bringing this awareness at many stages. Why? Because at the end of the day, the person is going to spend more money in this whole process. Now, how you bring awareness is really up to you. You could bring awareness for high ticket offers just on video. You can do awareness for high ticket offers through a series of value based informational products that could be free, absolutely, but you're gaining this momentum, and then let's say by the 10th touch point or the 11th touch point or the 12th touch point, you are able to sell them, right? So it really depends on what your offer is. Or you can get on a sales call and have just two touch points and still have everything done by the sales call. And a lot of people use this structure, let me put it, in high ticket offers. Okay, but you're bringing a solution, whatever the solution is, whether it's a service, whether it is a change in your, let's say, refurnishing a house. So that's another high ticket, right? I'm using physical offers, but let's say coaching could be a high ticket offer, mentoring can be a high ticket offer, personal training can be a high ticket offer, on the digital side as well, right? So you can have different offers like that, but you're solution aware. So you need an outcome, you need an actual outcome. You're creating awareness of the product that builds the trust, and then the content to follow that up. Okay. And that's exactly what a high ticket offer will entail. So there's a lot that goes into it. The beauty of a high ticket offer in this scenario is that once it's created, it's duplicatable. The moment you create that duplicatable system, your focus is yes on the product, on the offer, and everything else, but the majority of the time you're spending on your actual sales process. That's in the same perspective, we go to low ticket, okay, and say what is actually a low ticket offer. So a low ticket offer is an offer that is solving a quick solution to a problem that you have. I'm going to use Facebook as an example. Let's use digital just to get into the flow of things. So right now in the space that you will find, if you go on Facebook, specifically if you're a Facebook marketer, there is what they have, a content monetization program that a lot of people want to get a part of. This is random that Facebook picks content monetization, let's say a profile or whatever, to be part of this program. And based on the amount of views that you have, you're able to monetize this content that you have, right? So let's say you've learned the process, you've monetized 3 or 4 pages, and you've learned the skill set of how to monetize. You can create an offer, a low ticket offer that is specifically solving this problem for people who are doing it for maybe a year and haven't got yet their page monetized. So you're solving a problem. It's problem specific. It's very niche, but you're solving that immediately, right? Those problems that you're solving immediately and quickly are really cool offers to have because they get the in person's buy-in. They get the person who's actually want to achieve that, whatever they're doing, right? It's almost agnostic to any kind of field as such, and it's just product focused. So you're product aware, you're product focused, and if you create a low ticket offer that converts from that problem statement, from that pain point, then the traffic also converts pretty well and pretty quickly, whether it's free traffic or whether it's paid traffic. Actually, if you create a product like this, usually the free traffic, when you fuel it with the paid traffic, which is basically, let's say you have a Facebook post and then you boost that Facebook post, guess what? You're going to get a higher level of conversions on that cold traffic, right? Usually it's a 2 to 5% conversion rate on cold traffic. And we're going to be using those examples in the next step. What I'm going to share with you is an example of similar conversion rate, and then you'll see price wise what's the option. So let's say for the low ticket offer, we're using 1,000 clicks, always 1,000 clicks, okay? At 2% conversion rate, 20 euros each. Okay, I'm saying 20 euros because I'm here in Europe, so I'm using euros. And let's say for the same example of a high ticket offer, we'll use 1,000 clicks at just 0.5% conversion rate, and that means 400 per sale. So that's 4 sales. Okay, that's 0.5%. What you're getting right here is, obviously, I would even take 400 as a mid ticket offer, not high ticket, but I'm using this to give you an example. You're making around 2,000 to 4,000 on the 0.5% conversion, right? So you're making about 4 sales and you're making around 2 to 4,000. On a low ticket offer with the same conversion rate of that 2%, actually a higher conversion rate of that 2%, and let's say the offer is $20 or $30, right? You're making around $400 to $500 for the same amount of conversion. So there is a stark difference, but I want you to pay attention to this. Let's say that the frequency of you making sales with low ticket offers is higher than a high ticket offer, right? Based on the conversion rate. So most probably you'll be able to make consistent month over month commissions on low ticket offers with this conversion rate. So that's, generating you, let's say 500, 500, 500 every single month, and you're making one sale every 2 or 3 months here. It comes up to a similar thing, right? The effort is the same. The commissions here are higher. Now, it's all about a nurturing process, guys, at the end of the day. But I wanted to put these numbers for you guys to be aware. Now, I personally don't think there's a right way or wrong way. Like, yes, high ticket is good. Yes, low ticket is good. Affiliate marketing is, you are bridging that gap. As long as you are able to bridge that gap, if it's a high ticket offer or a low ticket offer, it is still a journey that you're taking somebody through. That's the point I want to make here. Okay. So what I wrote down here is, you can choose a high ticket offer If you can teach, review, or consult in an authority style type of content, then choose a high ticket offer. You can run webinars, VSLs, long form YouTube channels. You can still promote a high ticket offer. So that way you're not using, you can use yourself as leverage. You can use video as leverage. You're comfortable with longer follow up. In these kind of longer follow up or videos and stuff like that, at the end of the day, the high ticket offers, you need to be offering support, you need to be offering transparency, you need to be offering some kind of back and forth for the person to have contact with you. Because at the end of the day, you have to put yourself in the customer's perspective, whatever product it is. I mean, from roofing to anything, right? If you get on a call with that person, if you're in contact with that person, you are going to convert much more. It's just higher probability for you to get more sales. And at the end of the day, the person is spending that money, so you need to make them feel comfortable. I remember when I first purchased my one of the high ticket offers that I still own till today, and I utilize it every single time. I spent about almost 5,000. Okay, almost 5,000, and it was an offer that I believe and I still believe in till today. So I do not see it as a waste of money at all. In fact, I've taken that coaching and I've applied it so much that it has given back also tenfolds, right? Not 10 times. That's not what I mean. I mean, it's just given back a lot on different levels. I really see it as almost an investment in myself. And yes, that's a lot of money. Now, a lot of people, even though they do spend this amount of money, they do not get conversions or they do not get, let's say, value for their money a lot of the times in this space. So one of the things I recommend, if you are promoting high ticket offers, guys, please make sure that there is follow up and there is that possibility to connect with you personally. Teach the lesson. Basically, the lesson is high ticket can win with low conversions, but only if you generate qualified clicks and build trust. This is super crucial. And then we move on to here. I would choose, or there is also the option of choosing low ticket offers. The reason why I'm making this video is there are many people who nowadays ask me the difference between the two and which you should go with. I really think it's a personal choice. Okay, so you choose low ticket offers if you're new and need proof of concept, if you haven't started yet, if you need to build trust, if you are building up some cash flow to get a better product and you're not ready to get that high ticket offer yet, then why not use lower ticket offers to start to build that momentum then. Okay, you're building daily habits, you're creating content, and you're posting on, and you're writing an email, and these daily habits are what is fueling those low ticket offers. So it's not like getting immediately the conversion. Get people on your email list and then you can convert them in at any point of time. Content drives traffic to your email list then converts that low ticket offer. That's the easiest way, right? That's how you monetize your email list as well. You can create lots of helpful buyer intent content that allows your email list to be high quality as well. Low ticket offers, in my opinion, are super cool to get started with as a digital marketer or as an affiliate marketer. I think it is both are applicable, and in fact, I'm going to share with you the affiliate offers that I personally, recommend also on my blog and stuff like that, and you'll find the link in the description. But the point over here is, in my opinion, the best structure is a mixture of these two, where you have low ticket offers to, first and foremost, your low ticket offer gets the buy in from the customer. So they are almost testing the waters and seeing what does David have to offer, or what is this person recommending, right? So you're initiating that small buy-in from the customer. Once they have that small buy-in, they see, okay, this guy is actually giving me good quality content. When I do recommend a higher ticket offer at a later stage, they're more inclined to buy, even if I don't get on a personal call with them, because of this buy-in that they've had, because of this relationship that they've had. Now, it doesn't mean, and people who don't want will not get it. So you're filtering out the crowd and the people who actually want to be on your list, and at the same time, you're providing value for them at each stage, and you can easily say that. Okay, so the way I like to include both of them. I start off with a low ticket offer. When somebody gets onto my email list, then they get that low ticket offer, they're able to build this relationship with me, and at some stage during the journey, I'll suggest them to a high ticket offer and get the support from me. That way you combine the two. That's personally in the way that I structure it. It's just really, really simple in my opinion, and it works. Honestly, it just works. So that's how it is. That's what I wanted to share with you. And quickly, I'll just go over like the programs that I recommend personally. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Guys, these are the top 3 programs that I personally recommend. All of them are ecosystems that I recommend because they're ecosystem of different marketers, digital marketers that make have made millions of dollars online first and foremost, and have really strong structures. And it really depends on what you want. So, for example, Map is the first one that you can see right here. I'll leave a link, by the way, to this page in the description. It's free to get started with Map, but there's membership levels on the upgrades, and I would recommend to get the highest level, which is not like high ticket. It's about 797, but you can test the waters out, get started for free, and then move on. My favorite is the OLSP system, and then you have the 72-hour challenge, which is a $5 challenge that you can find here, but it also has the possibility of getting Jonathan Montoya's high ticket offers. Okay, if you're watching on YouTube, I'm pretty sure you've heard the name Jonathan Montoya. If you haven't, just literally write his name on YouTube, and you'll find a lot of videos regarding this, so you can see the product yourself. And my favorite is the OLSP system. So you'll find a link to the mega link there, right here, and this has everything under the sun. Okay, now why I like to talk about the OLSP system, I'm going to show you guys this so that you can see very clearly. If I scroll down here, you'll see that there are different levels available, right? So your lower ticket offer is your mega link, which costs you $7 to get started, so it has that buy-in. But as they go through the entire process, they can become a team builder or a VIP, which is a higher ticket offer. So I'm building trust and I'm communicating with my audience by actually recommending such a product, such an ecosystem, because it has the journey of going from step 1 to actually getting to that higher level. Okay, that's personally how I do it. Anyways, the information about these three programs are going to be in the description. I'm going to leave a link to this page in the description. Feel free to check it out. At the end of the day, whether you go low ticket or whether you go high ticket, stay focused on the actual problem that you're trying to solve for your customers. For anybody, whatever affiliate offer, whatever niche you're in, just focus on solving those problems and those pain points that they have, and watch how things change in every single step of the way. Guys, I hope this video was enjoyable. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. If you like the video, like the way the content is being presented to you, then feel free to come back on Monday for another video. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for dreams to come true, and I'm going to see you on the next one.